profile to me. The nose, the mouth, the forehead, the neck. Remember how long at one of those we had to walk with Mom and Daddy? Okay, Ryan. I'm telling you, ours is the biggest. Ryan, ready? We're going aboard. We're going aboard. Here we go.
This one? Here we go. And make sure you go to the next station, okay? I didn't notice, but I didn't figure you would because that camera was probably better than you.
Well, I tried not to yet. I'm actually not near as tired as I thought I was going to be, Ryan. Did you hear me? Yeah. Look over there. Did you look out the window yet?
Yeah, a little bit, but it all looks kind of dirty.
She saw it?
Probably.
Cheers. First drink of the trip.
Great news for you, your staterooms are now open. While you are exploring the ship or heading back to your staterooms, I do need to take the...
Which one? 10?
10. Okay. We're going to our room for the first time. We just ate at... Oh, there's the casino right there, babe.
That's what I said.
Oh.
They got my game too.
Oh my God, this is crazy. This was definitely worth a nice clear. This is our floor. Look at Central Park, babe. How exciting. Okay, let's find our room. Oh my God, look. That's some of it. Oh no, that's all of it actually. Look at it, let me see. The band's up there playing your music, babe. All right. These are very nice hallways though.
We're going the wrong way.
No, we're not.
We are. Numbers are getting small.
No, we're not. They are supposed to be, babe, because we're 570. here's our room. Or a veranda room on Symphony of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, Deck 10, room 570. Quick little room tour.
Go directly to your assembly station.
Door opens out,
Using the stairs, not the elevators. If there is
which saves you some room on the inside.
stairways, lighting along the floor will direct you to the nearest exit. Crew members will guide you to your station and are also
You of course
available to
have
answer
your
any
light
questions
switch, which you
or
can
to
stick
retrieve
anything in
essential
it,
medications
as they
from your
have.
stateroom. Once you're at your assembly station, our well-trained crew
You
will scan
have
your CPAS card
a
and
nice
stay there until
king
your
bed, I
assembly station
believe.
leader, crew,
Two twin
or public
into
address
a
announcement
king.
provides further instruction. If
And you
necessary,
have
you will be guided to your
closet.
lifeboat by your assembly station crew.
On that side,
You may also be
And
asked to
the
put
other
on your
side.
life jacket.
My
First,
husband's over there on the
separate
couch.
Velcro. Then place the life jacket
We are
over your
watching
head and refasten
our
the
safety
Velcro. Insert the strap into the buckle
screening,
and
which is
pull
very
to make sure the
important
jacket is snug.
I'm doing
Tuck
this
in
tour.
the end of the strap.
nice
Your life
full-length
jacket is
mirror,
equipped with a
perfect
reflective tape
location,
for
plenty of room to
a whistle, and
model
water
your
activated
outfits.
light. Life
Nice
jacket
decor,
instructions
nice
also
color.
on the stateroom door and in our app.
Very aesthetically pleasing.
Please ensure that you listen
Nice
to
large
the warning at all
shower.
times. If you are not together when the emergency horn is sounded, our crew will bring your children.
Oh, I expected the mirror to kind of be in a different spot, so that's exciting.
For medical emergencies,
And weird when you expect something a different way.
during your cruise, you may hear code words being broadcasted over
Nice
the
cozy
PAC.
bathroom.
These messages pertain to crew assignments,
you need,
and you do not
really.
need to pay attention to them. Should we need your cooperation,
And our luggage is not here yet. Just our luggage that we had through the key program is here.
additional safety
And it was in our closet when we arrived. Let me show you this real quick because this is boring. Oh look, a safe, a lot of shelves,
thanks again. for
hanging
choosing to
space
stay
as
with
well
us.
right here. I already stuck my purse in. Then we have two drawers. I don't really need to show you the drawers. You have a nightstand on each side with, turn on, little lamps you can push on the side. Firefly or dragonfly. There we go. Then you have a TV that you can turn to face the living room if you need it. See, right? It tilts. Okay. And you can put magazines, books, whatever you want down here. Keep your room tidy. Nice vanity desk. Dresser drawer. Mirror can go on and off over there. Plenty of outlets, 3 regular and 1 European. You have 2 USBs there. And then that turns into a sofa bed, but we don't really need it. It's just hubby and I on this trip. Large hanging space. Luggage room. And you also have room under the bed for luggage, which is where it'll end up probably going. You have a telephone over there, and it also has a USB on one side. Right there. So you do have that as well, and 1 outlet on this side only. Little nightstand area. Nice again, king size bed. Full length mirror. Feels cozy. But I wouldn't say cozy in a bad way. It actually feels larger than a lot of other rooms we've had as a just a basic veranda room. It's nice, it's aesthetically pleasing, and it's very laid out very well. Now let me show you the balcony. We received our key program information, which my husband's opening now. Looks like we've received 2 masks. We brought our own. We received a hand sanitizer, which was lovely. And then our cruise compass and some other little things that are going on. Nice little chair. We also have a refrigerator right here. And plenty of drawer space. I won't show you all that. Just a lot of drawers. There's plenty of space in here, especially for 2 or a young family. Small family. And then here is our veranda room. We are, of course, at the port, so you are just seeing the port until we leave, but I feel it's very spacious. Remember to step over this right here, and I always do this. Ryan, I can't open it now. What am I doing wrong?
Pull to the left.
I'm doing something wrong.
Welcome aboard the beautiful Symphony of the Seas. This is your cruise
Here is
director,
our
Brian,
balcony.
speaking. We are so excited to have you on board.
It's pretty spacious.
And, we
it
can't
feels
wait
like.
for all the fun that we've got in store for you. But before we get to that with you, have to get through the serious stuff. So if I can kindly have your attention, please, for this important
Beautiful
announcement.
view there. Just beautiful. Miami. And the balcony feels pretty spacious, I have to admit. For a regular balcony, I think it's 50 square feet. And if you were to get a larger one, it's I think maybe 80. But I'm very happy with this size, to be honest with you. And of course this comes out, that reclines back, and that comes out like an ottoman. There's plenty of room for my hubby and I. Beautiful.
On the app or via your stateroom television, we will give you a live presentation at your assembly station. We would like to take this
Also,
opportunity to thank our guests who have
this comes up pretty high. I mean, I'm 5'6", and it comes up to my chest. It's very, very safe. Alright, that is our Veranda Room. That is deck 10, room 570 on Royal Caribbean Symphony of the
rooms
Seas.
are already open at this time.
Lord, we are like the worst.